Health savings accounts provide tax benefits to offset the high cost of high deductible health care plans, but the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's new report indicates these HSAs are confusing because of complex rules and fees. The Fox 5 team's Dana Fowle is here now. So are we spending more than we think we are?
Well, that's the worry apparently here. I mean, we sign up for these because we think they're money savers, but the CFPB says it doesn't like the trend it is seeing here. Let's start with what the director actually said. Health savings accounts are for tax benefits that actually chip away at the price tag of health care. Consumers don't realize the fees, switching costs, and low interest yields that come with these accounts. There's been a 500% increase in HSAs in the last 10 years. You put your money towards your HSA account, and it's usually associated with these high deductible health care plans. The money you put in can be then used to pay for qualifying medical expenses, which are then tax-free. When the deductible is met, then insurance kicks in. If there is money left over, it can roll over to the next year, and that's all good, right? Well, according to the government, the problem is the accounts you have to select from actually benefit the company and the health insurance provider more than the consumer. Here are the issues. They write health savings accounts are supposed to be a lot like 401ks. They earn you money, but in these cases, the yield is low. You're just not making much. And there are fees incurred when you switch jobs or new HSA plans are brought in. They call these the exit fees. The CFPB worries about the intersection of healthcare plans and financial products. And I think here's the strong words we need to take in. The Bureau says the trend is starting to feel like what it calls long-standing abuses in higher education, where lending and financial products do not benefit the student, but rather the schools and the banks. So they're watching.
So what can people who use health savings accounts do in the meantime?
I know, because everybody we know has been switching to these things. When it's time to sign up, you need to ask your job if there are plans to switch plans. That matters. Think a minute before signing up if you think that job might be temporary. Read the fine print to learn more about the fee structure there. So it sounds like they're keeping a solid eye on this, but that is scary because we know where we've gotten with these educational financial products in serious debt.
Yeah, and I've read reports that say less than 10% of people are actually using the investment side of this, and it sounds like you're saying it might not even be worth it.
That's interesting. That is a really interesting point there, because I think a lot of people do it because they think they can make money, you roll it over, and then you can have this 10 years later and use it in some substantial way. But if you're not making money on this product,
then what is the point there?
Yeah, maybe it's better to put your money someplace else. So we're going to keep an eye on this because this conversation will come up around, November when we have to make these choices. So we'll pop back in and talk about it again.
Great. Dana, thank you.